Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget carry-on luggage in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Amazon Basics 21-inch Hardside Spinner. For something more wallet-friendly, look no further than Amazon. Our testers said this affordable hardside suitcase maneuvers really smoothly, even on carpet and over bumps, and handles turns like a champ. Not only that, but the scratch-resistant shell held up surprisingly well through our bat and drop tests. We were able to fit clothes, shoes, jackets, and toiletries without having to expand it, though we're comforted by the fact that there's room to spare. The Amazon Basics Hardside Spinner exceeded our testers' expectations in more ways than one. And while it only comes in 4 colors, we're big fans of the simple, sleek design. Number 2. Our second best pick is Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable with double spinner wheels. We tried lots of excellent suitcases, but the Samsonite Freeform Hardside Spinner was a clear winner. Earning perfect scores in all our tests, it's easy to maneuver on 2 or 4 wheels and rolls smoothly on various surfaces, including carpet and hard flooring. We also like that the aluminum telescoping handle extends and locks with the push of a button. This all-star suitcase has various pockets within the main compartment, and it expands a couple of inches when you need extra space. We were able to pack enough clothes for a 4-day trip, including 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, and 2 toiletry bags, no expansion needed. We wish this carry-on had a zippered section or removable bag for dirty laundry, but it does have a separator to keep your shoes away from your clean clothes. Our testers love the sleek, minimalist modern design of the Freeform, which comes in 12 hues ranging from white to mint to merlot. After hitting it with a bat, the polycarbonate, high-strength thermoplastic shell was scuff-free and showed virtually no signs of damage. We wouldn't stress about accidentally rolling it into a puddle either. Considering the reasonable price, durable construction, and spacious capacity, we think it's a great choice for frequent flyers and anyone in need of a high-quality carry-on. Number 3. Our third best pick is Travelpro Platinum Elite 21-inch Expandable Carry-on Spinner. Our favorite soft-side suitcase is the Travelpro Platinum Elite Spinner. Made of premium fabric with leather corner piping and chrome hardware, it held up well under many hits with a bat, no tears or scuffs in sight. We found it easy to fit everything into the 2 main compartments and mesh zippered pockets, though we had to expand it, which makes it substantially larger. The Platinum Elite is a breeze to maneuver on 4 wheels, gliding smoothly and turning with ease. Pulling it on 2 wheels calls for a bit more effort. This smart carry-on has a USB port with a designated pocket for a power bank, which you'll have to buy separately. It also comes with a TSA lock. All things considered, we think the price is fair for such a reliable, feature-rich design. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-on 20-inch Expandable Hardside Spinner. Travelpro's Platinum Elite Hardside Spinner was a close runner-up to the Samsonite Freeform. Its durable polycarbonate shell stood up well to being hit with a bat and pushed off a table. The adjustable handle feels solid while offering a comfortable grip, and thanks to the self-aligning spinner wheels, the whole thing rolls smoothly, though it takes a little more elbow grease to maneuver it on carpeted floors. Our testers had no issue packing the clothes and shoes on our list when they had expanded the suitcase. Keep in mind, of course, that this makes it a bit harder to fit in an overhead bin. A few more internal pockets would have been nice as well, but in the end, we think the durable design is worth the investment. Number 5. Our fifth best pick, Delsey Paris Clavel Hardside Expandable Luggage with Spinner Wheels. The carry-ons we tested ranged in weight from 12.9 to 4.36 pounds. Weighing just over 5 pounds, the Delsey Clavel was the best lightweight option we tried. This hardside spinner has a polypropylene, thermoplastic shell that held up pretty well during our tests, though a particularly hard bat swing did dent it slightly. While it looks small, it holds a surprising amount of clothes, even without the expander, and should fit into an overhead bin without any issues. Our testers said this carries on maneuvers well over cracks and bumps. However, the handle is somewhat short and feels slightly loose. Still, we think the price is fair and would recommend it to anyone in the market for lightweight, fuss-free baggage for shorter trips. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.